grinder. The only thing that comes out that's left of you is your eyeball. Probably. You still got like this part of your finger left.